Hey guys, today I'm out at my tree picking some fresh lemons to make some lemonade. Join me. Lemons, lots of lemons. They're in season right now, so we're gonna make a lemonade, but I'm gonna do it as a lemonade smoothie, if you will. And that just means I'm gonna make it with a bunch of crushed ice. First, to make lemonade, you gotta bring water up to a boil. This is 2 cups of water that's already boiling. Now, I'm making a simple syrup. Simple syrup is typically 1-to-1 ratio. Water 1 cup, sugar 1 cup. If we do that, this is going to make for a very sweet lemonade. So I cut this down. It's 3/4 of a cup per water. So 2 cups of water, 1.5 cups of sugar. I'm just going to put that in there, and then I'm going to mix until it's completely combined and dissolved into the water. We pulled this off the heat, and you can see there's no sugar piles in there or anything. It's all dissolved into the water. That's exactly what we want to get our simple syrup. Now I'm going to just push this aside and let it cool down a little bit, and I'm going to start juicing the lemons. I've cut my lemons all in half, and this is a lemon juicer. So all you do is put it in like that and give it a little squeeze, and make sure you have something beneath it to catch all of that precious juice that we're trying to use to make our lemonade. Today I'm using 6 lemons. Depending on how tart you like your lemonade, 5 to 6 lemons should be plenty for the 2 cups of simple syrup that we put together. I've juiced all 6 lemons. I've got a measuring cup here because it occurred to me that for whatever reason you may not have access to fresh lemons. So I'm just sifting through to get those out. Okay, so get a little bit of that pulp out and all those seeds out. And that's really the key. And as it turns out, it is about, not quite, close enough, 1.5 cups. 2 cups of simple syrup, 1.5 cups of lemon juice. Now, I'm going to let this cool because it's still a bit hot. But the next step is to turn this into our kind of slushy, icy smoothie, whatever you want to call it. Alright, I've gone ahead and let this cool a little bit. You can let this cool as long as you need. You can serve it like this. It's lemonade. But we ended up with about 4 cups of liquid. And now I've got that in my blender. And I'm just going to put as much as I can fit into this blender. We're going to do 2 things. It's going to really chill it down and make it into that kind of slushy feel. But it's also going to increase the volume of lemonade that we have. And thin out some of that tart if you don't like tart. I'm done blending. You can see that it's full to the top, so I did add ice at a second shot once I crushed down what we had. Let's pour this into our glass. And you can see it's a nice slush consistency. And that's all there is to a nice, frosty, frozen, slushy lemonade. If you're ambitious and you're of 21 years of age, throw some booze in there. My wife enjoyed a nice glass with Absolute vodka in there and didn't even know it was in there. So definitely worthwhile, and definitely recommend making it. You know the drill. Tell me how you make your homemade lemonade. You can certainly use store-bought lemon juice to this, or you can do store-bought lemons, or if you're lucky enough to have a tree in the backyard, you can use that too. Otherwise, subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Check back for the next video, and as always, take care.